Ethereum, to me, is really going to be where Wall Street meets crypto, because that's where you're tokenizing and it's using smart contracts. And so I think the usefulness of Ethereum grows as Wall Street sort of moves into crypto.
We are here with Tom Lee, who is the co-founder of Fundstrat. He's the CIO of Fundstrat Capital and chairman of Bitmine Immersion Technology. This is a job that you were appointed to just last week. Tell us a little bit more about what that entails.
It's a company that is pivoting to become an Ethereum treasury strategy.
And what is the appeal of owning an Ethereum treasury strategy as opposed to owning an Ethereum ETF?
When someone buys an Ethereum ETF, they're buying a single unit of Ethereum. And for as long as they hold that ETF, that amount of quantity of Ethereum is going to be basically fixed. Whereas an Ethereum treasury stock actually has a lot more optionality to increase the Ethereum held per share.
Fascinating. Or even, I would say, probably than buying Ethereum directly.
Correct, that's right. You're letting an entity then try to help you acquire more Ethereum. And again, as these Ethereum treasury strategies get to become large parts of the Ethereum network, they're actually helping the ecosystem.
Another company helping the crypto ecosystem is MicroStrategy. Co-founded by billionaire entrepreneur Michael Saylor, it started as a business intelligence company and has recently become notable for its significant investments in Bitcoin.
The other appeal, too, for a company like MicroStrategy is that people can sort of bet on Bitcoin and use money that's in the stock market. So anybody who has a hedge fund, they can make that bet. Is that kind of what you're trying to do here as well, with people can sort of get exposure to Ethereum without maybe investing in it directly?
Oh, that's right. MicroStrategy is very unique because he has what I'd call a sovereign put. He has 600,000 Bitcoin. He has so much Bitcoin that when the United States or Qatar or the UAE decides they want to get 1 million Bitcoin on their balance sheet as a nation, it's going to be easier for those countries to buy MicroStrategy. So he'll always trade at a premium to the Bitcoin, because if the US wanted to buy 1 million Bitcoin in the open market, the price of Bitcoin would go stratospheric. I think Ethereum has a Wall Street put, because as the Goldmans and the JP Morgans want to be big in the stablecoin market, they're also going to want to make sure that the underlying layer 1 is super secure. So as a public chain, they're going to want to own a large stake in Ethereum. So the Ethereum treasury strategies have what I call a Wall Street put, because they're basically moving in front of what Wall Street probably ends up doing.